Ka Sorkar jala kala Pynsangeh no ya ka jingthmu banshna ya ka surok flyover na Riblong Barik point. Bat ha ka jaka kani onshna bujri no da ka surok folin. Hadien ka jing ai jingmut jingki bor shipai ha ka baya day bat ka jingshngain bat jingada ong usumbut menteri rangba ka jala uba pres dun tensong ha ka arpu pratrik ya yong. Na kaliang ka Sorkar ngila kwa banshna ya ka surok flyover na Riblong Barik point. Henry hadien ka jingamir jingmut bat ki bor shipai na kaliang ka jongki kila ai jingmut ingi banshna no da ka surok folin namar ka jingshngain. Kumta kan long ka babaha banshna no da ka folin ha ka jaka ka flyover ulaong. Ula pentep baya ka ni ka rai la shim hadien ka jingamir jingmut lang bat ki kinhuan ba pher. Nakata ka daw ngila shim ya ka rai ka bakhat du da ka baong ka biang tungin ya le jurip lang nakatanat PWD ki bor district bat ru na ka NHID CL bat ki bor shipai ulaong. Benta ka jinglet sorbe na ka benta ka jingshna ya ka ni ka surok ka folin kelas dang bat ka jinglet sorbe ringkat lang bat ki he shipai ka 101 area kadang ya shakman bat hadin bala pendap ya ka ni kinsas dang ban penkre ya ka detailed project report benram uba press tuan.
This four laning. Now the survey has started. The survey has started, and then the joint survey, especially with the 101, with the army officials, it is still on. So once this is completed, then they will again prepare the DPR accordingly. The problem here is like this. In fact, initially from the state government side, we also prefer elevated route right from that junction of Riblong till Barik point. But again, after discussion with the defense authority, the defense authority advised us to go for four laning due to safety issue. Better go for four laning instead of going for elevated route. Better go for the four laning. That's why ultimately we reached the conclusion by saying that okay, let us go for the joint inspection from the state PWD, then from the district administration, and also from the NHIDCL along with the defense authorities.